Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two AI platform, which is Sembly and ClickUp, to help you decide which of these AI tools will be a better option for you in 2025. So to get started with a quick analysis about these two platforms, Sembly in 2025 is a smart AI meeting assistant built to capture, transcribe, and summarize meetings across platforms like Zoom, Teams, and Google Meet. It's ideal for professionals and teams who want automatic meeting notes, action items, and a summaries without manual effort. Sembly is also strong at converting conversations into a structured insight and integrate with a popular productivity tools like Slack and Trello. However, it focused mainly on meetings related tasks and doesn't replace broader project or task management tools. Then talking about ClickUp, on the other hand, by contrast, is a full-featured productivity platform that now includes AI-powered writing, task management, meeting summaries, and automations features all in one workspace. While its meetings assistance features are not as deep as Sembly, ClickUp gives you a full ecosystem hall for a project planning, doc chat, and Teams collaboration. It's perfect for teams looking for a centralized platform to manage everything in one space, even though it may feel more complex to set up. And here's a overall conclusion about these two platforms. So use Sembly if you need a powerful, dedicated meetings transcription and a summary tools. But on the other hand, you can just pick ClickUp or go with ClickUp if you want all-in-one productivity platform with a built-in AI to handle tasks, meeting, and a collaboration in one place. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this AI, two AI platform. And don't forget to subscribe and follow for more. Thanks.